Right now, people are shipping full applications without writing a single line of code. Lovable, Bolt, V0, Cursor. Real apps with authentication, payments, dashboards. Built in an afternoon, and almost all of them run on the same backend. Supabase. Supabase is the database behind the AI coding revolution. But there is a problem. The moment your app gets real users and real revenue, you need a CRM. And your Supabase data does not talk to HubSpot. So what do people do? Zapier. $500 a month at any real volume. One webhook fails at 2 a.m. and your data is out of sync for days. Or custom code. A developer builds against the HubSpot API. 10 requests per second. 10,000 per day. That is the rate limit. None of that works. So let me show you what does. Stacksync connects Supabase to HubSpot directly. Real-time. Bi-directional. What changes in Supabase shows up in HubSpot. What your sales team updates in HubSpot flows back to your database. And since Supabase is Postgres under the hood, you get full SQL on your CRM data. Let me show you. To create a real-time bi-directional sync between HubSpot and Supabase, let's begin by clicking the Create Resource button on the homepage. This initiates the process of integrating your critical systems without the need for complex custom scripts or ongoing maintenance. Next, select the Syncs button to create a new sync. In the sync name field, enter a name that clearly identifies the purpose of your sync, making it simple to manage as your integration landscape scales. Now, click on HubSpot to select it as your first connected application. Here, you can choose from an existing HubSpot connection or create a new one, allowing you to quickly connect without repetitive setup. Once you've chosen your HubSpot connection, confirm your selection by clicking the Select button. Proceed by clicking on Supabase to designate it as your second connected app. Again, you may select an existing Supabase connection or create a new one, ensuring seamless integration with your data warehouse. After selecting your Supabase connection, click the Select button to confirm. From here, let's configure the data model. Click the Link Tables button to begin mapping your tables. Use the drop-down or start typing to find the specific tables you wish to link, eliminating the risk of data silos and manual errors. Click the drop-down arrow to view all available table options for mapping. Stacksync enables you to choose existing tables or create new ones to fit your integration requirements. Next, click the Map Fields button to define how fields are synchronized between HubSpot and Supabase. This step ensures true, real-time, bi-directional data consistency across your systems. To expand and select the attachments table fields to sync, click Show Columns. This gives you granular control over which data is synchronized, supporting compliance and minimizing unnecessary data transfer. Select the desired column mapping option by clicking the drop-down arrow, tailoring the sync to your organization's unique data model. Once your configuration is complete, click the Create button to save and create your new sync. You will be redirected to the Current Syncs page, where you can activate your integration by toggling the switch. With just a few clicks, we've created a robust two-way sync between HubSpot and Supabase. Stacksync enables you to reclaim valuable engineering hours, accelerate time to value, and ensure enterprise-grade security and compliance. Stacksync connects Supabase to HubSpot. Also works with Salesforce, NetSuite, Real-Time, Bi-directional. Thanks for watching.